them picture things on the wall, and she said today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow, she wants me to go to Lowe's and get that little trim stuff and make like a little frame around it. So I knew it was something like that.
They always got projects, bud. Tommy, you still got snow up there? He must have went to fix his air conditioner again.
Hey, Mike, Kilo 9, Mike, Juliet, Sierra, you still in there?
Y'all doubled.
Whiskey, Juliet, 6 Alpha. Mike, you still in there? Kilo 9, Mike, Juliet, Sierra.
Perfect double again.
I'll wait.
Here in Alabama, Tommy, KX488.
Perfect double again. This is Whiskey Romeo Zero Sierra Sierra on the hour, standing by listening.
Kilo X-ray 4 Alpha Alpha.
Kilo Oscar 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Kilo Oscar 4 Hot Hotel. Foxtrot Hotel, I think. You copy?
Roger. Good evening, Handler here, Bob. I'm up here in the next Athens, Tennessee. How you done today?
I'm all right for an old man. Where you at in Tennessee?
Just right outside of Athens, Tennessee.
Oh, Athens. Okay. Yeah, I know. That's over there in Knoxville, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It's about 53 miles south of Knoxville, Tennessee.
Yeah, I used to live in Knoxville a long time ago. I mean, a long time ago, back when I was little. But I was born and raised in Jackson. I live over in Arkansas now.
I've been to Arkansas now. I've drove trucks for 10 years before I retired. I like Arkansas pretty good there. How far are you from Little Rock?
Oh, I'm a good 2 hours from Little Rock. I'm up in the armpit of Arkansas. I'm 10 miles south of the Missouri border and 10 miles west of the Mississippi River, QSO.
Roger, yeah, I'm close to each one of them, they know it.
My closest town is Blytheville, QSO.
Hey, Roger.